So today we're gonna straight pipe one of these. It's 2021. It's got a factory catback off-road exhaust. Look how new this is. Exhaust is never even changed color. Stainless. So it's got the factory catback off-road exhaust package. No third Cadillac converter up there. There's just two coming off the manifolds or headers. Manifolds or headers, I'm not sure. There was a third on other AT4 trim levels. This one has just two, one off each header manifold. Straight back to this 31-inch muffler. Straight back, Y is off right there. This is all factory off-road catback exhaust system, bolt together. The off-road package has no resonators. They have actually two glass pack resonators from factory. This one does not have it. So the idea is to unbolt that and one on the other side and put a pipe in place. We'll see how she sounds.